guys, welcome back. Olivia at Olivias.com, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some DIY inexpensive fall decor for your front porch. And if you guys like to do garlands, I'm going to be starting on my garland. I'm crossing my fingers hoping I'm going to get this done for you guys. But hey, listen, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. It'll enter you into my $100 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway. Drop those kind comments down below. Let's get this positivity flowing. This is going to be, I think, episode 14 in my I Love Fall series. So I love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. So I grabbed some goodies from Amazon and Walmart and even probably some Dollar Tree stuff to share with you guys how I'm going to do my over-the-top fall garland. I love to just like greet everybody. My kids love to take fall pictures outside as well as I do, and I even donned like a little fun witch hat for you guys. I don't know. It is getting a little bit warm, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep this on. But hey, without further ado, grab your garlands, florals, ribbons, and let's get to decorating crafty. Okay, so I know a lot of people are gonna ask about my front door. It is from a garage sale, and it's even like started chipping off in places. But I do know that Lowe's has some fun little decorative front screen doors. It's actually a screen door. We got it at a garage sale years and years ago. But to attach my fall garland, I have these nails up here. I have one on either side and then one in the center. And so I'm just going to start out with a greenery garland and then a garland that I found at the Goodwill last year. I have you guys in my camera phone here. I have you guys in my camera phone balanced very precariously on a tripod that's up on top of like a little wooden stool. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and start the garland. I like to do like a greenery garland as the base, or you could even do a fall floral garland. I've used all my fall floral garlands in my inside my home already, so we're gonna be kind of just throwing things together, I would say. Okay, so I'm starting out with these two greenery garlands. I got these off of Amazon. I also recommend a Christmas tree evergreen base. That's super great to add decor into, and zip ties this time of year are our best friends. So I looped the two garlands together, and then I'm going to zip tie the garland to the nail up here. I also have two leaf garlands that I'm going to zip tie to the center of here as well. Okay, you guys, I love creating these garlands, and I love to dig into my craft stash. I kind of do this as the last minute on every single garland I create. I really love to try to use what I have on hand. It's almost like a super big challenge for me. And also, I will tell you that I went into Walmart and I was hoping to find deco mesh. Could not find any deco mesh, so I really had to improvise with this. So I'm zip tying the green garland and the leaf garland together, and then zip tying to them to the center nail, and then there's a nail off to the side. So I put a nail in the center and then a nail off to either side of my door. Now I reuse these nails, and what I did for this, I took 3 rolls of burlap from Walmart. They're about $4, and I'm just taking a zip tie and threading the zip tie through the burlap. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a burlap braid. I've never done this before. I just kind of did it on the fly. I've actually never seen it done, and I'm not even for sure if it's a thing, but I thought it'd be super fun to do, to accent all 3 colors and to give it kind of a deco mesh effect. You know, the fullness of deco mesh in a garland is always super fabulous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 3 together. I zip tied all 3 to the center, and I apologize, there is a little bit of a white halo. It's from the sun, so you're going to see that in parts of this video. Anyway, so all you're going to do is take that burlap and simply braid it like you're braiding your hair. So here I'm just taking it and I'm braiding it like I would braid my hair. It's so easy, you guys. And wait till you see the results. It's really, really pretty. It really accents the different fall colors. So again, these are burlap rolls from Walmart. I was looking for deco mesh and they didn't have any. And I don't know if you guys are like me, but when you go to buy supplies for things, I like to do like a one-stop shop. So I could have gone to Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but I live all the way on the other side of town. And so I just wanted to get everything done, and they're not open until 9. And I dropped my daughter off very, very early for school. So I went ahead and just kind of looped it underneath that Greenery Garland, and then I zip tied that up off to the side. So we kind of want to make like a little bit of a swag on either side. And again, I'm just braiding it down. How cool is this, you guys? I really think this is super neat. I hope you guys try this. I just think it's really cool. And I would say, I didn't even think to measure the size of the burlap, but I would say this is about a 3 to 4 inch wide burlap. But again, it's just from Walmart. It's in their crafts section. You guys may be able to find it online. But you can really find burlap in any craft store. So now I'm braiding the other side. Now I will tell you, as you braid, you have to shake out your strips. That way they don't get tangled at the bottom. And I still need to go in, even after I got everything done, and finish braiding the very base of these. But let me tell you, these garlands and front porch decor, they can get a little bit time consuming. I started out with my cute little witch hat on to be super cute, and then it got hot, and the hotter it got, the more I had to take my hair just up off my neck. And then the little cute pumpkin shirt I ordered off of Amazon. So cute. Okay, so here you guys can kind of see a little bit better of a view. I feel like sometimes it's hard for me to give you guys a really great view of the front porch garland, but hopefully you're getting the gist of it. But look at how cool this looks. I just think it's just super different. Like, I've never seen this done before. So anyway, and then once you guys get to this point, you want to create some bows. Go pop back onto my channel and you guys can see multiple bow videos, but I just made a quick little loopy bow here. And about midway down my garland, I do like to add some bows. Now I did go back in and add in some pretty florals as well. I'm going to share with you guys another easy garland hack. You're going to love it. It's just a great way. So you're going to take stems from Walmart, and you just take and you bend the stems in half. So I did 2 bundles, or I did 1 bundle of each color leaves. You just bend them in half, and then you take and you zip tie them onto your garland, and then you put your bow in the center of that. I feel like it's a totally genius hack. Especially, I couldn't find large garlands either at Walmart today. So, you know, these kind of over the top things. So I just took and I grabbed some stems. I think these are the $3 stems at Walmart. They also have the $1 stems, but they weren't quite as full. And I knew I wanted a little bit of a fuller look, and I wanted it to feel really fall. So I did do the traditional fall colors, and then I just added my big fluffy bow to the center of that, and I'm zip tying it here for some reinforcement. But how pretty. I'm still just in love with this braided look. And then I'm going to do this again with these mums. You just split them in half, and you add that to some leaves. Again, I just split that bundle in half, and I create a really quick little easy swag. Zip tie that to the center nail, and then zip tie a bow to the center of that. So this is like such a quick and easy little garland hack. And you are going to want to go back in and really fluff your florals and your leaves and all of that fun stuff. So see, there's the bow in the center, and you've got your little florals, and bam, you guys just have a fun little easy garland. And I think that this is just super cute. I love going really festive. My big kids do love to come home and take pictures underneath the garlands. And I know a lot of my neighbors will slow down, and they're kind of waiting for me to do my front porch or, you know, my garlands. And so I really go over the top, usually primarily for fall and Christmas. Sometimes I'll get crazy for Easter or Valentine's Day. It just depends on what's going on with the fam. Okay, so again, I'm just going to add in a quick little bow here, and I have a ton of bow tutorials on my channel, so you guys just go click on that, and here's an easy bow too. So you take and you measure your ribbon from your hand to your wrist, or from your hand to your elbow is what I meant to say, and that's going to be 12 inches. And you can do that for a couple different layers of bows. Zip tie that to the center. I've shared this bow with you guys a lot, but it's really a quick and easy one. With the other bow that I did at the top of this garland, I did use my Easy Bow Maker, and you guys can order that online through Deco Exchange or Amazon or wherever suits your fancy. So here's my little quick little loopy bow. I was starting to run a little bit short on time, so I'm just going to zip tie this to the center, and I just wanted to kind of get this up. I'm so excited to share with you guys how I'm going to finish this out, but continue to add some bows and pretty florals. Now you guys can see it started getting hot, so I had to throw my hair up. Okay, so I'm bringing out these topiaries, and these I bought a couple seasons back from Hobby Lobby. I love getting them when they're half off, and I'm just going to take these little $6 scarecrows from Walmart, poke them down inside the base of the topiary, and then zip tie the scarecrow to the topiary. So it's going to give my little scarecrow kind of like some limbs, and it's also going to look kind of pretty dropped back behind there. Now, as you guys can see, I still need to finish the braiding on that. I was just starting to run short for time for having to go pick up my daughter, and then I'm going to reinforce this by dropping this into another planter. And I got these white planters at Walmart this season. They're really pretty, they're really big, so they can kind of hold a lot. So really, we've done this on a pretty good budget here. And if you guys don't have the greenery and leaves that I started out using the base, you can always use a Christmas tree kind of evergreen. So I'm going to put Mr. and Mrs. Scarecrow on either side of the door. We'll see how they do. Hopefully they don't go flying away in the wind. I do live on top of a hill, so sometimes we'll get some wind, once it starts getting to be a little bit more fall. But I think they're looking super cute so far. And then I also got these little pumpkin topiaries at Walmart. I got a lot of this at Walmart when I was grocery shopping this morning. So I'm just going to add them to either side. And then this is a Hobby Lobby wreath left over from a couple of seasons back. I'm going to accent the other side of the doorway again with another topiary. And then this welcome sign is from Hobby Lobby. This welcome sign is great because it's completely neutral. I'm always tempted to want to buy the welcome signs that are seasonal, which I think they're super cute. But this is a good one because it's neutral. And you can't quite see it directly on as well, but you can really see it kind of like if you're driving up the hill past my house. And I did angle my little scarecrow out. So there is that so far. And then this little bench is from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just adding some more cute little pictures. The pumpkin pictures from Hobby Lobby. I love to get everything half off, and I got this stuff a season or two back. This Hey There pumpkin is an outdoor pillow from Walmart, and so is the little red truck pillow is also from Walmart. I have never bought fall pillows. I always DIY them and then they kind of rot and I have to redo them. Anyway, this year I just bit the bullet. I think they're $5 each. So here is how it turned out. Oh my goodness, I'm really, really loving this one. And the little extra little pumpkins, I really want to grab some real pumpkins, but they just don't have them out quite yet at the store. But I'm excited because maybe I'll make a trip to the pumpkin patch. I really want to do that this year too. So I'm taking just the little mini pumpkins and I'm stuffing them in and around the topiary, hoping that that will kind of stabilize my little topiary and also give it kind of a little bit more of a fall vibe. I added in some extra little pumpkins, and then this is the fun part where you can add in lanterns, hay bales. I'm pretty allergic to hay, so I usually don't do a lot of hay bales, but anyway. And then I had one little bundle of mum left over. I'm adding in these, and then the Dollar Tree had this cute little home mat. Now this was a $5 goodie. We don't have $5 goodies at our store, except for every once in a while they'll just get like one thing in. So anyway, check this out, you guys. I'm so excited with how this came out. I feel like I need a little something more by the door, by the home sign. And of course I was playing with it thinking I might add in that bow to the top of the lantern, but I think this is really sweet for all the improvising I did pretty much, and for making kind of a big over the top display. I am just loving it. I did try another sign over there on my bench and I didn't end up loving that, but I hope you guys are inspired to create something super fun and fabulous in your home on a budget. So here is the final product. I think this just turned out so pretty and so fun. Again, I still need to finish braiding my little ribbon over there, but I thought that that was kind of cool, and you're going to be able to see it more, I guess, once I actually finish the braiding part. But it's really tucked in and it's really pretty and just soft and fun. And I'm telling you, when you have a pretty, front door to come home to, it just makes things a little bit more fun and exciting. I think the icing on the cake for this would be to add in some pretty lights, but look at how pretty that braiding looks. It's just so nice. And it just, I need to pull out some of the little loops too, so you can even see the braiding more. It got a little bit covered up, I think, on that right hand side. But welcome home. I hope the kids are going to love this. I know my daughter came home and loved this, and the big kids are off at college, so when they come home, they're going to get to see this. My daughter and I had a chance today to go thrift storing, and so that was super fun. I love spending time with her. I love spending time with all my kids. I took my son and his girlfriend to a Euro rally last weekend. Well, he actually invited me, so I guess maybe he took me. But anyway, I think this is just so cute and fabulous. You guys comment down below, what was your favorite part of this video? Are you inspired to make a pretty little front door, goodie? What do you guys think about the topiaries and the scarecrows at the front of my door? I think they're fun. I feel like I've added a character. Usually they go more out towards my front yard. You guys might hear Benji Bear. He's in the background right now digging down on his food. Do you guys as pets eat at weird times? I feel like Benji Bear kind of eats at weird times. So I love y'all, and I hope you guys are loving this front porch. Don't forget also to enter my $100 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway by dropping that kind comment down below, just saying hello. What is your favorite thing about fall? What is your favorite fall bucket list activity? I've been looking at fall bucket list date ideas and just different things I can do with my kids. So going to the pumpkin patch, going to a drive-in movie, making hot cocoa, making banana bread, decorating my house for fall. We have a huge bucket list of fall movies. Ooh, that would be a fun thing for you guys to comment down below too. What's your favorite fall movie? I'd love to hear what you guys love, and I love you, and I'm so thankful for you guys to be here. That is going to be for this fun and fabulous over-the-top fall garland. The majority of all of these goodies are from Walmart, Dollar Tree, or Hobby Lobby. And let me tell you, it got pretty hot out while I was creating this. I think I did it in about an hour, but I hope you guys are loving it and you're totally inspired. I love y'all, and I'll talk to you very soon. Mwah.